If you're considering SaleHoo for your dropshipping business, there are some key things you need to know before making your purchase. While SaleHoo has its advantages, it's important to weigh the pros and cons, especially when comparing it to other dropshipping platforms. Let's dive into 12 things you need to know before deciding if SaleHoo is the right choice for you. First up, SaleHoo is often praised for its supplier directory, offering access to thousands of pre-vetted suppliers. This can save you time and effort compared to searching for suppliers on your own, which can be a hassle with platforms like AliExpress. However, while the supplier network is large, it's not necessarily the most extensive when compared to competitors like Spocket, which offers direct integrations with US and EU suppliers for faster shipping. Next, the second thing to keep in mind is the price. SaleHoo has a one-time fee of around $67 for lifetime access to their supplier directory. This is a reasonable fee compared to others like Oberlo, which charges based on a subscription model. However, the one-time fee may not appeal to everyone, especially if you're just starting out and looking to keep costs down. The third thing to consider is that SaleHoo offers more than just suppliers. It provides access to a variety of resources like market research tools, educational materials, and a supportive community. While this can be beneficial, some other platforms like Doba offer similar features with a more streamlined experience for beginners. The fourth thing is the lack of integrated e-commerce platforms. Unlike Spocket or Oberlo, SaleHoo doesn't directly integrate with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. This means you'll need to manually upload products, which could be a time-consuming task for beginners. Next up, the fifth thing is the community aspect. SaleHoo has a member forum where you can ask questions and network with other dropshippers. While the community is active, it's not as large or as engaged as those of competitors like Shopify's forums or Reddit's dropshipping subreddits. The sixth thing to note is that SaleHoo's supplier vetting process is thorough. Suppliers are carefully screened for quality and reliability, which reduces the chances of working with scammers. However, with platforms like Spocket or Modelist, you may find suppliers with faster shipping times and better customer service ratings. The seventh thing to be aware of is SaleHoo's limited integration with tools for automating your dropshipping business. While some automation features are available, other platforms like AutoDS or Oberlo offer more comprehensive solutions for managing orders, pricing, and inventory updates. The eighth thing is the product variety. SaleHoo offers a wide range of products to choose from, but it can't compete with the scale of product catalogs you'll find on AliExpress or Modelist. If variety is a top priority for you, you may want to explore these platforms first. Next, the ninth thing to consider is that SaleHoo has a strong emphasis on educating their users. If you're new to dropshipping, you'll find value in the learning materials they offer, from step-by-step guides to video tutorials. But keep in mind that other platforms like Oberlo also offer plenty of beginner resources, and they come integrated with Shopify, which could be a more efficient solution for you. The 10th thing is SaleHoo's customer support. While they offer email and phone support, it can take some time to get a response. Platforms like Spocket, on the other hand, tend to have faster response times, making it easier to solve problems without significant delays. The 11th thing to consider is the additional tools available through SaleHoo. For example, their market research lab helps you analyze product demand and competition, which is a helpful tool for any new dropshipping business. However, the accuracy of these tools doesn't always stack up to competitors like Shopify's integrated analytics or Spocket's real-time market data. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is the focus of SaleHoo. It's best suited for those who want a low-risk approach to finding reliable suppliers. However, if you're seeking faster shipping, a more automated experience, or a platform with better integration options, you might find that SaleHoo isn't your best fit. So, is SaleHoo a good option? It certainly has its strengths, especially if you're looking for a well-vetted supplier directory and educational resources. But if you want something with better integrations, faster shipping options, and more automation, there are other solutions available that might be a better fit. For a more robust dropshipping platform, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.